everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome to the beginning of my savings, budgeting, and YouTube journey. I am here to represent the hardworking low-income parents. On this channel, I am experimenting with different budgeting styles, savings goals, and sharing the strategies I learn as I go. So if that sounds interesting at all to you, please go ahead and click the like button and subscribe to follow my journey. So today is payday. The first thing that we're going to do is count the cash to make sure we have it right. I don't know, is it just me that I'm always worried that they're not going to give you the right amount? And if they don't give you the right amount, is the bank going to believe you that they didn't? I mean, it's not like we're talking about thousands of dollars here, but still, how does that even work? Anyway, let's get counting. We took out $4.49 from the bank, but I did go ahead and pump some gas. We didn't need the whole 50, so I just put $30 in there. I had a half a tank already. So I just put $30 in the bank. So we should have $4.49 minus $30, $4.19. All right, so let's count. It's 100, 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Woohoo! Yay, it worked out right. So I'm going to stuff variables first, but I like to split up my variables from my sinking fund and savings challenges. So let's see which denominations that will get. 11 ones. It needs 2 5s. Let me put it on the other side because I know the balance is going to go on the other side. It needs 4 10s. One, two, three, 4. And it needs, nope, I don't think that's right. It's not 4 10s because I spent 1. So it's 3. Yep. And then for $20 bills, there should be 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I spent a $20 bill too. 4, 5. Jesus Christ. All right, we're going to see if this works out at the end if I did it right. All right, and then the balance goes over to sinking funds and savings challenges. All right, so excuse my voice. I've been hoarse today and I don't know exactly why. I hope I'm not getting sick. That's the last thing I need. All right, so these are my wallet envelopes. So they did come with binder, like insert holes here, but I just cut them off so that they can fit right inside of my wallet here. And they fit perfectly, and I'm so glad that I switched to this. It's so much easier to carry around, and the purse even has, like, you know, the wrist thing. So, loving that. Definitely a good decision. Okay, and then the first thing that we have here is personal. Personal is not getting anything because I spent it already. I spent that online. Home is getting 25, 20 and 5. And I'll do these trackers after. Okay. Let's put personal all the way to the side. Groceries. Groceries is going to get taken right out of the bank account, so I don't have anything to stuff for that. Gas we spent $30, so it should have $20 left. Entertainment needs 31. Entertainment is date night because they didn't have an entertainment sticker that would fit this. So entertainment is getting a 20, a 10, and a 1. And it's that weird amount because I took some money I wanted to go into our fun sinking fund so that we can go to the fair this weekend. So we're going to travel there to do that. Dining is getting 2 20s and a 10. $50. And last but not least is miscellaneous income. This is just for anything that needs to go back to the bank if I spend from my debit card. So miscellaneous should get the balance. Let's see if we figure that out right. Should have a 10, a 5, and 10 ones. 10, a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, confetti. I do not know why, but I'm addicted to doing that now. Okay. So these will all go into my wallet, and that it's supposed to last me for the next 2 weeks, but we'll see. All right, and next here is my savings challenge and sinking funds amounts. So not too many things are getting filled today, not too many binders, but I am going to start with my always funds. So these are, my goal is that every time that I get paid, this binder, these items will all get some funds. All right, so kids beauty gets 35, 20, a 10, and a 5. And there's some money in here already, so I'll count that. Let's see what we got together. $20, $30, $50, $60, $65, $70. Water was paid. Water is paid with my debit card. Pets is getting $15. I know there's some money in here already. It's adding up slowly but surely. This gets used sometimes, maybe like, oh, actually she needs some food. So let's see, is that it? 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. The good thing about a cat is she's not that expensive. So that's a plus. All right, next is Christmas. We know that I switched out vacation for Christmas. So Christmas is getting $15. And I put vacation into our family binder instead, because these are only my always funds. All right, let's see what Christmas has. Christmas has 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. Not much, but something. Sooner than I've ever saved for Christmas before, that's for sure. Okay, emergency car care. It's already got money from beauty, so that one's good. But I'll show you what we have, because I switched that yesterday. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 110, 20, 30. 130, is that right? Yes. That one I already filled out yesterday. Okay, and student loan is getting $10. So now we have 25. All right, and that's it for the always fund. Next one is our fun envelope, and that's in our family binder. I'm gonna put this over here so I don't confuse them. So fun is getting 135, so 2 50s, a 20, a 10, and a 5. I'm really hoping we don't spend all of this money. I'm really hoping we don't, because we should have a total of $200 in here now that I just added this. Let's see. That 5 is disgusting. 100, 120, 40, 60, 80, 95, 200. So $200. I'm really hoping we don't spend all this money, but I'm going to take all of it with me. And honestly, I don't think that's enough, but we're going to make it happen with what we can. Okay, and that's it for this one. So that is it for sinking funds. My savings challenge, I'm going to do that now. I'm only doing 2. I have a gold coin challenge and my succulent challenge. The succulent challenge is something that I want to fill every payday. That is my goal. I did say that I was going to put it into the budget. It is in the budget this time. I'm just worried about the future. But so far, since I've started it, I've been able to do it every week. Every pay period. Okay, so the succulent challenge is this one, and here's the 48 that it needs. It's going to get 2 20s, a 5, and 3 1s. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm just going to color this in quickly. All right, so the good thing about this challenge is that it's going down every week. So we started at the highest and it's going down by 2 every pay period. And I'm hoping when I get down to like the last half, I can do 2. We're hoping. Okay, so the next challenge that I have is our gold coin challenge. We've been working on that one for a while. So this one is a $1 challenge. I'm doing it with all 1s. Oh, Lord. Let me actually put the money in the challenge. Let me make sure I actually fill the succulent challenge. And let's see how much we have in there too. Let's see. I hope I don't get confused when I go to fill these out later. Actually, I'm just gonna do it now. So we're adding $48. That should be $150. It should be. Today is the 30th. So let's put this in there and see how much we have. $50, $100, $120, $40, $45, $46, $47, $48, $49, $50. $150, and I'm hoping that this savings challenge can go towards a vacation since we're not saving for it in any other place. We'll see. The gold coin challenge, I already know that this is going to be a giveaway for you guys once we reach the $50 goal. So right now we are adding, it should be $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, so we're adding $10. Let's see. We have $38 in there now. Very close. What's that? Only $12 left? I can do math, right? Is that right? Yeah. Gold coin. All right. So we added 10. We have 38 now. I knew something was wrong. All right, plus 10. I'm trying to get better at my penmanship, you guys. I really am trying, because I look at some of my videos, I'm like, oh, they probably think I'm a mess. I am, but I don't want you to think that. Okay, I can put these back since I filled them out already. So the funny thing about that gold coin challenge is I thought that they were like, for some reason I thought they were like gumballs, or I don't even remember. If you remember that video, help me out and help me remember what I thought it was. I think I thought it was gumballs. All right, we get to do 10 of these. 6, 9, 11, 12. Perfect. All right, we only need $12. I didn't think I was ever going to get through any of these challenges, and I did finish one for back to school, so that was awesome. Let me show you, that one was done. That one got done earlier this month, I believe. Yep. And then these are the second ones that I'm doing. So the succulent challenge is going to go to vacation, hopefully. I always say hopefully because I change my mind all the time. And then this small one that I just created, this is going to go to some office makeover that I want to do. All right, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. As always, I want you to remember that it is about progression and not about perfection. I'm going to go ahead and finish these trackers. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and share with someone that these videos might be helpful for on my channel. Thank you so much again. Happy saving, everybody. Bye.